What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn off Do Not Disturb on your iPhone. Do Not Disturb is a great feature for blocking notifications, calls and alerts when you need some quiet time. However, sometimes you might turn it on and forget how to disable it. First, the quickest way to turn off Do Not Disturb is through the control center. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open the control center. Once you are in the control center, look at the half moon icon, which represents the Do Not Disturb function. When Do Not Disturb is enabled, this icon will be highlighted. Simply tap the half moon icon to turn it off. Once it's disabled, the icon will no longer be highlighted, and notifications, calls and alerts will start coming through again. If you want to switch between different focus modes, such as Do Not Disturb, Personal or Work, you can tap and hold the focus button in the control center. This will bring up a list of all available focus modes, allowing you to quickly select or switch between them. In case you want to turn off certain Do Not Disturb settings, like exempting certain apps, you can do this by using the Focus feature. To access the Focus feature, go to your iPhone settings. In Settings, tap on Focus and then select Do Not Disturb. Here, you'll gain control over additional options, like scheduling Do Not Disturb at specific times, or customizing which contacts and apps are allowed to reach you while the setting is on. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.